This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a high-profile location in the South Loop, directly across the street from the fabulous Grant Park, close to dining, nightlife, colleges and universities, and a CTA Red Line stop, to meet Lisa for a tour of one of the apartments at the new 820 South Michigan.
Welcome to 820 South Michigan. We're looking at our apartment 715. Right off to our left is a one-bedroom. This has, you can fit a queen size or full-size bed. Now we're going to head to our kitchen where we have modern GE appliances. We have a refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, as well as a microwave. And then each unit is furnished with the modern cabinetry.
And quartz counters that everybody loves. But here's where it starts to get really fun. You have these terrifically high ceilings.
Yes, which allow it for an open floor plan, and we also have an abundance of natural light. Now we're going to head into our second bedroom, which will fit a queen size or a full size bed, and then we're going to head into one of our bathrooms. Each bathroom has got brand new toilet, sink, as well as tub shower. The shower does have storage, and then we also have our modern cabinetry.
Got a lot of light from these high windows. And you have a living dining area here that's really spacious enough to accommodate a lot of furniture and give you some flexibility in how you lay it out.
Yes, and as you look at the second bedroom, the first bedroom we looked at, it does have kind of a loft style to it. Now we're going to head to the second bathroom. Our second bathroom is very similar to the first bathroom that we saw, with the modern furnishes, the toilet, the sink, mirror, and the tub shower with shelving.
And a medicine cabinet for storage.
Please call us or email us. We'd love to show you around.
Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.